So
Mind is a monkey only, no?
absolutely.
You don't have to go anywhere else to find monkeys.
So instead of wasting our precious energy, see, every single instinct that comes in our psyche inside, we have that energy to fulfill a certain action in the dual life, right? If I want to make certain amount of money, or if I want to do certain amount of, I want to reach certain goal, it requires a lot of energy. That energy is the spiritual force behind us, right? The spiritual force makes the mind go to work, and the mind, of course, tells the body to go to work. So there is a tremendous amount of energy being sent out. But now, if we really realize that in the Dvaita state, there is nothing to gain, nothing to lose, so what happens to all that energy? The energy that is building up inside, we have to employ within ourselves, because we are wasting energy in outside world. And every single day, every single life that is disappearing, that is a waste of energy. The energy flow of the consciousness had created you. And luckily, we are the human species with the Udan state of prana. We have that capacity to fold ourselves within ourselves, realize ourselves. We are the highest species on the face of the earth. But every time we spent 60, 70, 80, 90 years of life, that energy has been given to you to fulfill that dream and reach that state of Advait. We're wasting on the dual state, and that is a waste of energy. And when we die, it's a waste of life. It's another creation of Paramatma which has gone wasted. So instead of wasting our energy and achieving all these so-called dreams in the duality, our job should be to focus within ourselves and then fold back ourselves, employ that energy into different chakras of our own central nadis, and that's how we should concentrate on all those things and unfold the immense potential of consciousness that's within us. And then only we can realize the state of Advaita. So once we start doing that, life becomes beautiful. The sufferings of Dvaita don't make you suffer anymore because you are in a different zone. The gains of dualities also don't make you too excited. So you maintain your equilibrium in any state of dual existence. And you continuously keep that Advaita state in your mind. And at that time, whatever happens is the creation of Paramatma. You become a vehicle, and you don't exist anymore. And you merge with the existence. So much for today.